Now 15th question. For what value of n are the nth term of 2 APs 63, 65, 67 and 3, 10, 17 equal? So 2 APs are given there. So 63, 65, 67. So 15th one. First AP is 63, 65, 67, like that it is going. Second one is 3, 10, 17, like that. Now for the first AP, A is equal to 63, B is equal to 2. Then for second AP, so AN will be equal to A plus n minus 1 into D, that is 63 plus n minus 1 into 2 it will come. Here in second one, A is equal to 3 and D is equal to 7. So AN is equal to 3 plus n minus 1 into 7. So these two AN will be same. So you are asked to find out the value n. These two ANs are same, so you can equate these two sides. That is 63 plus n minus 1 into 2, that is equal to 3 plus n minus 1 into 7, open the bracket, so it will be 2n minus 2, that is equal to 3 plus 7n minus 7. So 63 minus 2, 61 plus 2n is equal to 7n minus 4, or take that 2n to the side, so 61 plus 4 is equal to 7n minus 2n, or 65 will be equal to 5n, or n is equal to 65 by 5, that is equal to 13. 13 5s are 65. For the value n equal to 13, these two series will have the same number. Okay. Now 16th question. Determine the AP whose third term is 16 and seventh term exceeds the fifth term by 12. So it is given A3. A3 is equal to 16 and A7 is equal to A5 plus 12. So you have to find the AP. So A3 means what? A plus 2D, that is equal to 16. A7 means this one will be A plus 4D plus 12. Okay, A7. So now A7 value you can put A plus 6D will be equal to A plus 4D plus 12, or take D to this side, A and D, you will get A plus 6D minus A minus 4D will be equal to 12. or A and A you can cancel. 2D, 6D minus 4D, 2D will be equal to 12, or D is equal to 12 divided by 2, that is equal to 6 you will get. Now after getting 6, put it in this equation. So A plus 2 into 6, that equal to 16. So A plus 12 is equal to 16, or A is equal to 16 minus 12, that is equal to 4. So our A is equal to 4 and D equal to 6. So how will you write the series? First one 4, then 4 plus 6, 10, 10 plus 6, 16, then 16 plus 6, 22, like that it will come. Okay. Now 17th one, find the 20th term from the last term of AP 3, 8, 13, etc. up to 253. So here 20th term from last you have to find out. So first you have to find out which term is the last one. What is n there? First find out n, then n minus 20 plus 1. So that will be the 20th term. Then let's find the series is 3, 8, 13, etc. up to 253. So here A is equal to 3, D is equal to 5. So AN is equal to 253. Last term we can take AN, that is equal to 253. So AN is equal to A plus n minus 1 into D, that is equal to 253, or A is 3, 3 plus n minus 1 into 5, that is equal to 253, or n minus 1 into 5 is equal to 253 minus 3, that is equal to 250, and minus 1 into 5 is equal to 250, or n minus 1, that is equal to 250 divided by 5, that is equal to 50. So n minus 1 is equal to 50, so n will be equal to 50 plus 1, that is 51 you are getting. N value is 51. Okay. Now 20th term from the last, that means if you are subtracting 20 from this one, plus 1 you have to take, and we have already discussed that in the example. That will be the 20th term. So 20th term from last will be equal to 51 minus 20 plus 1, or 51 minus 20, 31, that is 32 term from the last. Okay, 32 term from the first one. Okay, now find out A 32, that is equal to A plus 31 D, that is equal to 3 plus 31 into 5. So 3 plus 155 is equal to 158. So A32 is equal to 158. That is the 20th term from last. Now 18th, sum of the fourth and eighth terms of AP is 24, and sum of the sixth and 10th term is 44. You are asked to find out first three terms of AP. So what is given? Sum of fourth and eighth term of an AP is 24. That is A4 plus A8 is equal to 24. Now A6 and A10 is equal to 44. Now what is A4? A plus 3D. What is A8? A plus 7D. That is equal to 24. Now A plus A, 2A plus 10D is equal to 24. Here it will come A plus 5D, then here A plus 9D, that is equal to 44, or 2A plus 14D equal to 44. You can solve this one either using that linear equation method or the method we discussed here. So here split this one. 2A plus 14D can be 10D plus 4D, that is equal to 44. 10D is equal to 24. So 24 plus 4D is equal to 44, or 4D is equal to 44 minus 24, that is 20, or D is equal to 20 by 4, that is equal to 5. Now put it in this equation, any of the equation. So 2A plus 10 into 5, that is equal to 24. 2A is equal to 24 minus 50, so it will be 26 negative. A is equal to 26 divided by 2, that is negative 13. Now series, how will you write? First one negative 13, it will come negative 13 plus 5, so it will be negative 8, then plus 5, negative 3, like that it will go. First three terms only you have to write. So it will be negative 13 plus 5, then again 8 plus negative 8 plus 5, like that. Nineteenth, Subba Rao started work in 1995 at an annual salary of 5,000 and received an increment of 200 each year. In which year did his income reach 7,000? So here A is equal to 5,000, E is equal to 200, AN is equal to 7,000. You are asked to find out N. So AN is equal to A plus N minus 1 into D. So 7,000 is equal to 5,000 plus N minus 1 into D. So 7,000 minus 5,000, that is equal to N minus 1 into 200. So you are getting 2,000 equal to N minus 1 into 200, or 2000 divided by 200 is equal to n minus 1, or 10 is equal to n minus 1, or n is equal to 10 plus 1, that is equal to 11. So his salary will reach 7,000 in 11 years. Now 20th one, Ramkali saved ₹5 in the first week of a year, then increased her weekly savings by 1.75. If in the nth week her weekly savings become 20.75, then find n. So here also the same way. First A is equal to 5, D is equal to 1.75, then AN is equal to 20.75. You are asked to find out that n. So AN, that is equal to A plus n minus 1 into D, that is equal to 20.75, that is equal to A, that is 5 plus n minus 1 into D, that is 1.75. So subtracting it will be 20.75 minus 5, that is equal to n minus 1 into 1.75. So 15.75, that is equal to n minus 1 into 1.75, or 15.75 by 1.75 will be equal to n minus 1. Divide that one. What is n? So when you are dividing that one, you are getting 9. You can avoid that points, then divide. Then n minus 1 is equal to 9. So n is equal to 9 plus 1, that is equal to 10. So her savings become 20 rupees 75 paise in 10 weeks.